Hi, I want you to go to this app that I'm going to be telling you, and you're going to copy and paste this strategy and you're going to use it, okay? And it's not a strategy that it's new, but when you go to verified, it's an app that I'm talking about on this. It's called trusted investment. You're going to go there and use it, okay? You use this to trade just the way it is. No, a lot of things, just copy and paste it. And this is going to, with proper directions, it's going to be able to be your next big thing. This is going to help you find trades, find cryptos. You can use it for crypto, forex, metals, commodities, options, anything that you want. But this, I'm not going to get into detail, but just take it and go to that app and copy and paste it. Okay?
Buy it. This is a recommendation that you can buy it if you're a new trader, advanced, or intermediate, and you don't know where to put your money. You're not sure on where you're going to invest. This is the place to invest. See the courses, the number strategy for winning traders, setups for winning trader, and there are secrets. And you can master the trader bundle. Okay, and they have crypto alert, and you have trader app. This is the article, news, interviews, and this is their about. But mostly what I wanted to talk about was this one, verified verified investing crypto. Just click I want this and it's going to load. Get our hand-picked crypto trade alerts sent to you real time. Just $75 a month. This is it. Hand-picked alert, trade alert, daily technical analysis videos, and exclusive crypto show access. It's not a lot of money. This is legit, not like something that you cannot afford. This is little money for traders. And honestly, if I think this is the best thing I've seen so far. And you see, this is the profit, is the amount of people, or just the portfolio. Okay, sign in, make money, verified, trusted by the world's best. CNBC, Boomerang. This is the Bloomberg and the Crypto Banter, and you can watch their videos. Pure information, something legit, something that you can work on, something that is nice. Okay, so get your $75 and invest right here. Crypto trade alert. Okay, back with another investment on cryptocurrencies. So, and this one is going to be verified investing. So I don't know if you've heard about it, but I'm going to be talking about this and why you should be using it. So go to Google and type verifiedinvesting.com. Okay, and we're going to be going through it together. I'm going to tell you whether it's legit or not. But in case you get bored, the answer is yes, it is legit. Okay, you see, this is a verified crypto guide, verified investing crypto, and the winning trader series. These are masters information that you can use and they will work for you. Okay, I think the world is the biggest investment in all we need is direction and where we're going to invest. And this is one of it, verified investing, and it's not a lot of money. It's $75. Okay, so instead of banning that in your trading with no knowledge of anything, you can use this one. They are there to provide you with safe analysis for trading. And as you can see this on Twitter, people who use it's more like a review, and you can always verify with other people. These are testimonies for people who have used. The co-founder here, I did some research about him, and he is a learned one. He knows what he's doing. Okay, he's a person who, these people, they have been in this business for a very long time, and they already have money. They do not want your money. What they are doing is kind of investment. Okay, they are investing in a generational thing that you can use anytime, any day. So let's go just down and see what you're going to find about it. We have 5 principles to master trading and how to be a successful swing trader. All these are articles and they have videos. You can find this information anywhere and everywhere on the internet, but this is just a walkthrough of whether you should or should not. And what I like about them is they have a game plan and live daily. What you have to do is check them on YouTube, subscribe, and turn on your YouTube notification. Okay, so Master Trader Weekly, you're just going to put your information, whether you're beginner, intermediate, advanced, whether you want to trade on crypto, forex, options, metals, commodities, stocks. You put here and you submit. They have a code, and if you don't know how to read about it, you can look for another one. So let's say the 3 secrets of a winning trader. So verified investing, education,
Factory. Join me, Master Trader Gareth Soloway, as I open your eyes.
The secret ingredients to Gareth Soloway's proven 80% win rate. Yeah, and let's just say invest in this one, guys. That's a lot of money. This money comes back. That is the mentality you need to have. Money always come back. So this guy said it's absolutely the best thing I could have ever done for myself. I just love the course and enjoy learning from. You see, he's a very smart guy. You could see on social media, just do like a little bit of research and you could see what they're all about. But this is me walking just through it and just telling you what happens here, whether it's legit or not legit. But this is legit. If you have money, this is where you put it. Like, see, you're going to learn these things, how to ignore the hype. News, they teach you things so that you can survive the strategy of the market. You see? And you can buy with, this is less money for most people.
So this right here is a trading pattern that you're going to be using